Hey guys, so today I will be going over basic maintenance and care and assembly of the French horn. So first things first, you want to make sure your case is somewhere safe where you can open it safely, like on the ground. You don't want to open it on your lap or anything like that and risk the instrument falling out. Then you want to make sure that the logo is facing you and that it's right side up. And then you just want to open your case carefully. Alright, so here's our French horn. It's pretty simple to put together. Really only has two pieces. Some French horns will have a detachable bell, but for this model it just has the body of the instrument and then the mouthpiece. So you want to carefully take it out of the case. Notice it has valves like a trumpet. It also has some tuning slides. And it also has some places where you can rest your thumb and your pinky. Yeah, so once you have it out of the case, you want to carefully take your mouthpiece, careful not to drop it, and just put it right here, and then there you have it. And that's basically how you assemble your French horn. When it's time to take it apart, you just take off the mouthpiece, put it back in the case, and then put your French horn back in the case with the keys facing up. But for now, yeah, so it's just your standard French horn. Basic maintenance, you'll notice how, like the trumpet, it has these valves here, and in your case you'll have a bottle of valve oil, and it's important to make sure that you oil your valves every now and then so that you don't get any of your keys stuck. So when it's time to do that, all you do is just unscrew these caps here. That. And then you just take this and you literally just put one drop onto the little center piece right here, like this. Doesn't need much, just a drop. And then you just screw it back on, and then you should be all good to go. Again, with French horn, similar with trumpet and other brass instruments, you never want to palm the mouthpiece because you risk getting it stuck in the instrument. So make sure to never try and hit the mouthpiece like that. If you need to set your horn down and leave the classroom, make sure to keep your mouthpiece with you. Don't put it anywhere in the case or on the floor where it can be stepped on and damaged. And yeah, that's pretty much the basics of French horn maintenance. Just make sure, again, to keep the mouthpiece safe from damage, regularly oil your valves, and be careful to not store the instrument in any place where it can be damaged. So holding the French horn, having proper posture is very important. It's pretty straightforward. So rest position, usually just keeping your French horn on your lap like so, or just keeping it like this. So with the keys on the left side of your body and the horn facing out towards the right, you're going to want to take your left hand and notice how there's metal loops here and here for you to rest your thumb and pinky. So just rest your thumb and pinky right there, and then with like a gentle curve in your hand, just rest your index, middle, and ring finger on the three keys there. And then with your right hand, you're going to want to gently just insert your hand into the bell and hold it like that and just support it. For playing position, you don't want to lean over and kind of like bring your face to the mouthpiece. You want to rather sit the bell on your thigh, but without resting it completely. Make sure you're lifting it up and supporting it, and bring the mouthpiece to your mouth like so. And you'll see it's not resting completely on my leg. I'm not pushing it against, but rather I'm using my right hand inside of the bell to support the weight of the instrument, and also using my left hand to support it and make sure that I have a good handle on the instrument. So again, from rest position, put your right hand in the bell, support it. Left hand is going to rest with your thumb on this inner loop and then your pinky on this loop. First, second, and third fingers, index, middle, and ring, are going to rest on the 3 valves here. You're going to bring the instrument up to your mouth, like so. And always make sure that your back is straight, your feet are flat on the ground, and you're sitting at the edge of your seat so you get the best possible posture for good breath support and good playing.